So, taking a look here, have two sides, need third side, Pythag. Now, before I move on, I need to know that you know the difference between these two. X plus X versus X minus X. I want you to send me a quick chat. What is the difference between these two? Go. Before I can move on, just give me the answers. One comma the other. No, I want the answers, folks. Whoop, whoop, I want the answers, friends. One comma the other. Quickly, folks, quickly. I need to know that you know the difference. Okay, looks like you're comfortable with this. Yes, X plus X is 2X. X times X is X squared. Be careful you don't mix those up. Get out your dry erase boards, please. I'd like you to draw this on your dry erase board. We're using Pythagorean theorem, leg squared, hypo squared equals circle plug chub, x squared. You're following along, 3 squared equals 6 squared. You have 1 minute to finish, go. You have 1 minute to finish, go. You're doing this on your dry erase boards, friends. Dry erase boards, because I need to check your work. Okay, take your board, please, and show. Real quick, I'll take a quick glance. Everybody show your board. Keep it up until I move along here. Quickly, guys, quickly show your boards. Get it close enough so I can see your answers. Thank you. Great, a little bit closer. Connor, you need to simplify that, sir. Got it. And wow. Okay, we have about 95% accuracy. Really happy about that. 2 of you owe me a quick text message. You should have gotten x equals root 27. A couple of you forgot to factor. And you pull out the date, it's 3 root 3. So the complete and final answer was 3 root 3. 95% of you got it. 2 of you owe me a very quick text privately. What are you going to remember next time, please? What are you going to remember next time? Just 2 of you, quickly. Yes, Brennan, what's up?
I came in late, and
Okay.
the calculator thing, I have one. It's just not here right now. I'll get it.
Okay. All righty, appreciate it. So the question today is, Pythagorean theorem works if you have 2 sides, need a third side. Well, what if you only have 1 side? And the answer to that is we're going to be using special right triangles. Go to your green cardstock, please. We're going to do 3 problems together. So put the words 1, all right, hang on, 1 side. Because now these two situations, you only need one side. And put a star because they're called special circumstances. These are shortcuts, but they're very powerful shortcuts. They're very wonderful shortcuts. They're very speedy shortcuts, but they only work under very special circumstances. So it's important you just don't use these anytime you want, okay? We're doing this one today, this one tomorrow. So we're gonna focus on only a 45, 45, 90 triangle. And in a 45, 45, 90 triangle, you have two equal angles. So first mark that equal. Which means you have two equal sides, two equal angles, two equal sides, but two equal elbows, two equal arms. Hatch mark, hatch mark. So that's why in this table, we have leg equals leg, because the legs are equal. In a 45, 45, 90, the hypo is whatever a leg is, notice the direction of the arrow going towards the hypo, times √2. So the hypo is whatever the leg is, times √2. On today's handout, on top of page 3, I asked you for the right 45, 45, 90 table. This is what I want you to copy. That's on top of page 3. Goes like so. 45, 45, 90, leg, 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 √2. I am very serious. You are clapping and chanting. Ready, go.
45, 45, 90, leg, 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 √2.
Little faster. 45,
45, 90,
leg, 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 √2. Get a beat. 45, 45, 90, leg, leg, √2. You need to memorize this, friends, and that little chant will help you. I expect you to chant that to your parents and drive them crazy a few times today, okay? Let me show you how to use it. You're going to do this with me, and then you're doing 2 on your own. I cut you loose. Ready? I chant and mark at the same time, so watch carefully. 45, 45, 90, leg, 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 √2. You mark it. Legs equal. It reads like this. I don't have my legs, but I know they're equal. I at least know that. It reads like this. Something times √2 is 6 there. Something times √2 is 6. That's how that reads. Now I know from our very first lesson, √2 times √2 is 2. 3 times 2 gives you 6. So the correct answer is 3√2. And if this is 3√2, the other side is also 3√2. Get your dry erase boards handy. Now that you have that in front of you, I'd like you to copy this one down. Go. Copy it down. And you're drawing like so. 45, 45, 90. There it is. Ready? You have 30 seconds to find the value of X and Y. Go. Put on your board. Why am I only giving you 30 seconds? Because if you understand this, that is literally how fast it's going to take you. Quickly, folks. Then I'm going to ask you to show your boards. Not yet, though. Wait. Some of you are done and twiddling your thumbs. That's fine. If you have today's paper in front of you, you can start working on page 1. Okay, ready? Show. I need to see your boards real quick. Show for that particular aha, Sophia has figured out that these are on the board. Quickly, folks. Quickly, 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 quickly. Nice, 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 nice. Nick, I didn't see yours. John, I need to see yours. Avery, Luke, Gianluca, I need to see yours. Tim, I got yours. Thank you. Camden, I need to see your board. Boards down, except for John, Avery, Luke, and Gianluca. I need to see your boards, please. Okay. Okay, we're doing one more. Erase your boards. Erase your boards. Here we go. One more. After this, I cut you loose. Draw on your board this. It's the 45, 45, 90. X and Y. I drew it backwards, but it's going to be the same thing. Now, this one, I simply want you to text to me. Text the value of both X and Y as quickly as you can. If I give you an affirmative of some sort, you can get started on today's lesson. Okay? All right, I've got people giving me answers already. Okay.
Miss Wei,
Yes.
when on the paper, when it says use the Pythagorean theorem, that means we can use the shortcut, right?
Nope, nope, nope. I want you to do it longhand.
Okay.
Pages 1 and 2. Leg squared plus leg squared equals hypo squared. I'll wait 20 more seconds. I got 3 more people. Okay, listen up, folks. I'm going to be sending out a link. If you get a link, you are joining me in the breakout room. Okay? And because we're going to do all of page 3 together. Now, if you're someone, you want to do page 3 and you don't get a link, I need you to send me a text right now. I have 6 of you. I'm sending a link. I need you to click on it, please. It's going to take me about 30 seconds. Sophia, what's up, dear? Sophia, what's up?
I'm confused on the first problem on page 4.
First problem on page 4. Okay, do the best you can and backtrack. I need to work with the people who have kind of like no clue what's going on. But why don't you write it out? It's going to be 5 root 2 over 2 times root 2. See what happens. Like actually write it out, okay?
Miss Wei,
Yes.
do we have the in-class lesson today in the packet that you gave us?
Yes, you do. It's called 5.2 part 1.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, students, several of you got a link. Click on it, please, and join me. We're going to do all of page 3 together. Go. Alrighty, friends. Good morning. Okay, you are here because of one of the three problems. You didn't get accurate, so this is going to take us just 5 minutes. And we're going to do all of page 3 together. You guys ready? Okay, pay attention. So we're actually getting work done. If you have the paper in front of you, it looks like this. So the paper in front of you looks like this. Ready? Tim, I'd like you to chant out for us. What is the 45, 45, 90 chant? Go.
Oh, I forgot the chant. Sorry.
Okay, well, stay off mute. Okay, and then ready? Avery, how does the 45, 45 go? Okay,
How does the what go?
the 45, 45, 90 chant go.
You want me to,
Yeah, I want you to say it. I'll say it with you, but you start.
45, 45, 90. 45, 45 leg.
Leg, 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 root 2. Okay, kiddos, everyone unmute. You're now doing this with me, Tim. Join the party. Ready? 45, 45,
45,
90.
90,
Leg,
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 root
root
2,
2. Again,
root
45,
45,
45,
45,
90,
leg,
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 leg, root
root
2. Okay. Because if you don't know the chant, you're kind of hopeless here, folks. So step 1, the table is this: leg, leg. That means the legs are equal. Put an equal sign there. The hypo is whatever the leg is times root 2. It's like a function box. So we're going to do 4 of these together. Now watch. I chant and draw every single time. Watch what I do. I'll do it in red. 45, 45, 90, leg, 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 root 2. So I sweep my 45s and my 90. The legs I hatch mark, and then I draw an arrow from a leg to the hypo, root 2. We have already the hypo. So what we're asking ourselves is this, put it in the margin, something times root 2 is 6 root 2. I want you to text me what you think the answer is. Go. Text me what you think that answer is. Every single one of you. Text me what you think that answer is, the highlight. Okay, I'm waiting for 3 more of you. Good. Raquel, Tim, Lewis, Taya, good job. Gianluca, Cameron, yes. Luke, yes. All right, take a look here. The answer here was 6, because 6 times root 2 is 6 root 2. So this is 6. And if this is 6, this must also be 6. So again, it was something times root 2 is 6 root 2. Our something is just 6. Let's do another one. Ready? This one right here. 45, 45, 90, leg, 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 root 2. I want you to text back to me in one text. Do B first, because B is easy, and then A, but I want it on the same line. Go. What would B? And then A. So put it in this order. What's the value of B, comma, what's the value of A? In the same text, go. Good, Liz. Tim, you're good? Alrighty, so let's take a look here. Lutfi, if this is 3, what's over here, Lutfi?
What was that?
If this side is 3, what does this have to be, the other leg?
3.
3. If I times that by √2, what do I get?
3 root 2.
You got it. Okay, we're good there, guys. The rest of you got it. Nice job. Come over here. Ready? 45, 45, 90, leg, 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 √2. Okay, step 1. Raquel, if this leg is 10, Raquel, what would Y be?
10.
10, correct. If the leg is 10, Tim, what is the X gonna be?
10 root 2.
You got it. Look how fast this is. Okay, friends, if you can do this, you have graduated and I'll boot you out of this room. Send me the answer for both X and Y here. Go. Lewis, I need the most simplified answer, please. You're kind of halfway there. Taya, did I get an answer from you? Taya?
Not yet.
Okay, those of you who I got an answer, I want you to start working on page 4, please. Those of you who got I said yes, you can start working on page 4. Okay, Taya and Lutfi, pay attention. I'm going to be talking to you guys, okay? You ready, Taya? Taya, what's the, can you chant out, what's the 45, 45, 90?
Like Janet.
Yes, ma'am.
45, 45, 9, and then leg √2.
Good. Okay, so 2 equal sides, 2 equal angles. That means X and Y are equal. You got that far. So Lutfi. Lutfi, drawing an arrow from either leg to the hypo. What are we multiplying by, Lutfi?
Root 2.
You are correct, √2. So it reads like this. Something times √2 is 6. Lutfi, what do you think goes in that something?
6.
Okay, if I put a 6 there, I simply end up with 6 √2 because outies and innies don't talk to each other. So it can't be 6. What has to be there to get rid of that √2, Lutfi? That's the most important question to ask. Okay, Lutfi, Taya, really quick, I want you to look in the margin here. We're going to do this together. I think there's a pattern you're missing. So √2 times √2, √3 times √3, √5 times √5, root 7 times root 7. Lutfi, what's root 2 times root 2?
2,
2. What's root 3 times root 3?
3,
Taya, what's root 5 times root 5?
Mm.
What's root 7 times root 7? Taya,
7.
good. Lutfi, I need to get rid of that radical. What has to be in my yellow something? How do I get
2.
rid of the radical?
Root 2,
Yes. Okay. Watch carefully, Lutfi. Root 2 times root 2 just gives me 2.
so 3,
What times 2?
3,
Okay. So the final answer is
3 root 2.
yes. Okay. To make sure you understand this, I'm gonna do something for you here. Okay. In the margin, I'm drawing another triangle. You see this triangle? I'm going to put an 8 there. It's 45, 45, 90. It would read like this. Something times root 2 is 8. Something times root 2 is 8. Taya, what would our something be there?
4 root 2.
Yes, 4 root 2. Lutfi, do you understand why that's 4 root 2?
Yeah,
Okay. Lutfi, if I do this to you and I change that 8 to a 10, what would the something be?
5 root 2.
There, now you got it. Now you got it. Okay. All right, guys. I'm going to close the breakout room. You guys are working on page 4. You're on page 4 and you need some help. What's up? You're on page 4 and you need some help. What's up?
I figured it out.
You got it? Okay.
Yeah. Also, I submitted to ClassKick.
You're good to go.
Okay, thank you.
Students, if you've done 4 pages and corrected and submitted to ClassKick, adios. 再见. Au revoir. Okay?
Bye, Miss Wei.
Take care, Jeremy. Some of you are on page 4. You're on the
Miss Wei.
very last problem and you're going like, huh? I want to talk to you. Who are you? Page 4, last problem.